Okay, so then now the next step is connecting the desktop. We have to install the adapter holder, desktop, and keypad. So first you have to connect the small desktop with the large desktop using wooden pins. I think probably we don't need to use any adhesive or anything like that, because these desktops are going to be held together also by the frame itself. So they'll be sort of held together by the frames and also by these wooden pins. But after I put in these wooden pins, I'm supposed to flip the frame on top of the desktop so I can attach it using the screws. And this is where I'll need probably, so it says the holes in the adapter holder 11 are not for screws. The pre-drilled holes in the desktop are just for your reference. So this adapter holder is this thing over here. So I think first things first, let's do this, which is attach both the desktops together. And then the key thing to note is that the motor should be on the back side of these two utility access things for cables. So I'll keep that in mind. So starting with the actual desktop, I think there are 3 wooden pins, which is each. I'll remove those. And then I have to place these desktops down on the floor. And those are the cable access points, I think. And these are those wooden pinholes or dowels. So obviously I think this label stays on the bottom, and for this there's a label there which should be on the bottom. So I guess I would place these in a way that I can attach holes. So I'll probably move the frame out of the way so I can create space for these and assemble it. The frame is kind of heavy, so I'll need both my hands to lift it and move it out of the way.